So I've been using this extended steel sheet for quite a while as the bed for my K40, and it works all right. It's not as good as the honeycomb pattern you see on the nicer laser cutters, but it's gotten the job done. One of the problems, however, is it's been difficult to adjust the height of it to really dial in the Z height. Mainly because what comes as the attachment for the bed are these standoffs here, and that's basically it. So what I've built here is four 3D printed parts that will allow me to independently adjust each corner so I can get them dialed in. So let's take a look and see what that looks like. All right, zoomed in on the corner in the bottom right, we can see there's three separate parts to this design. There's this top section that kind of looks like a knob, a lock we have down here, and then another standoff, which is a custom height. So how this works is pretty simple. You can basically you unlock it, and then you can adjust the height to however you would like it, and then when you press in that lock there, it just holds it in place. Another nice thing about this design is how easy it makes it to be able to take out the bed and clean it, or get under the bed and get any parts that have fallen down. Um, what I'm really excited about is this is actually the first time I'll be able to fit an entire 12 by 12 piece of birch in the laser cutter all at once. Because before, where the feet were actually sticking up a little bit above the bed, which prevented me from being able to put the whole sheet in, which is just nice because it means I won't have to go to the scroll saw so often. Thanks for watching. I'll put links to the 3D prints down below in the description.